Hei hi Akasvani Aizawl ani Chanchinthar achher tu silian sang puya. Central Chief Information Commissioner CCIC Puhiralal Samaria Hovin Vin Khan Ser Chipa Interaction on Right to Information Act 2005 nei ani. Chief Minister Prul Doma Finance Minister ni Bok Hovin 16 Finance Commission ne na thlen tur Mizoram Sarkar na le ro man na soi hovani. Naktu ka Maharashtra Jharkhand Assembly in Thanatan in Bo sa na pe fel vek to ani. Prime Minister Narendra Modi John Khovela in Hirngon Thlengme ka wangin Khovel Chimnam Ram Global Southern Harsana Melon Tok ati Central Chief Information Commissioner CCIC Puhiralal Samaria Hovin Voin Khan Ser Chipa Interaction on Right to Information Act 2005 neyani Puhiral Samaria chuan Thusain Sarkar Department in a Public Information Officer PIO le Sub Public Information Officer SPIO le Department Apparel Authority DAA10 and Department Information Shang te chu adu piang te mu thei tura Department website a tar cho thin tura ni thuasoya RTI Act manga zona te chu Department ka hnoi ten ti kho tai lova hun tiam chu ngeya chana penge thin turin a cha a RTI dil na lu reng uluk taka zir chenga chana pek thin tura ni thuasoi bok ani Interaction on Right to Information Act 2005 program a hian Mizoram Chief Information Commissioner Puzon nei lai point thu soin hedan noya hian thil diglo le fellow om chuan PIO le SPIO 10 ammu an phurngam turani ti a Freedom of Information Act hian sarkar thil til na thole chet velate me puite shiat velo tura ngai na atipawa Mizoram Information Commission website a English le Mizo chiar tur om vek thule nundin hmuna me puiten manual le online RTI manga zona anzo ve thene turin VC le sarkar na pui NGO te po Public Authority thawni angin SPIO le PIO tan da tharani thule hei hi ti changtun zel tumani thuasoi bokani heuna talan danin RTX ani pang noya sarkar na ti tur online le offline manga mi puite zona PIO le SPIO DA10 anodon sondana le channa pe ka Mizoram State sarkar chu athok thokata za zera chutin directorate level za somko panga district level za somko panhile secretary level za somko panga ani mek ani Aizawl Municipal Corporation AMC Committee on Regulations of Restaurant, Hotel and Hostel Chairman Corporator ni Bok Prosem heta chuan Aizawl Municipal Corporation in tun naya Aizawl kho chunga thingpui dole hotel te an dik chu report siama AMC ho tu sang jok te thut khoma pudule ani tur thu soi AMC Committee on Regulations of Restaurant, Hotel and Hostel Chairman chuan Akasvani News Aizawl shildanin an committee na Aizawl kho pui mun sang thingpui dorle in siam na mun endigna atamjok chon Health Department in a food angin Food Safety and Standard Authority of India certificate chu an nei de veka AMC permit ero nei lo nam nuala AMC in register chu thil pai motak ani thule AMC chu Aizawl khopui management khoitu ani na anga sum do na le dam do in thlenga AMC in register pai mo thu soi ani
puya kan nunga kan oma kan chenga kan thi te tha em kan in te thiang ni mem thenom khoweng tan poya omem hazat te omem thil la om in zuar te pon an thil zor thiang ni mem tikha municipal kut chu ni vele deu sini ador hon kha khap thiang lo po ni maila azor thiang nim le thiang nim lo kha chu kan kut kan check tu ra kha ani le sini
Voin Vekhan AMC Noya Committee on Control of Parking and Collection of Parking Fees to Deputy Mayor Puar Thanglo Hoven and Chukoma. Chukoma hian Aizawl khopui chunga khojin tam takle Mexican Service 10 lo thelo thila anlir theite zanama anri na tur manamu maljok siamani danten soya hemi chungchang han Aizawl khopui chunga veng somni pariatin AMC aro manna anne ten thelu to a Mexican big zana ri na mun tur po AMC hian aro man fel to thule Traffic Police le Local Council ten and Chataka kalpui tu mani thu soilan ani bok Vuna Chukom te hian Mexican Stan ne Beroluya Aizawl City Bus Terminal lo dan tur chungchang ba ka Aizawl Municipal Area chunga two-wheeler taxi parking chungchang te soin parking area che that dan tur le chinchinat siam dan tur te an ngai to tela Aizawl khopui chunga parking area siam sang te chu haubi karam chan no thule hun then khata two-wheeler taxi ten an member ne lo din an phalo thin po tilo turashe ti ni setin an rela AMC parking area sanga lir thei leng bak no lui ani thin dan po endik tura rel ani bok Chief Minister Prul Doma Finance Minister ni Bok Hovin 16 Finance Commission ne na thlen tur Mizoram sarkar na le roman na CM conference hall soi howani Chief Minister Son Tuntum Ahen 16 Finance Commission hun chunga state specific grant lam an choi ho big dona tun ma he specific grant local pui to dan ang thowa ron kal turani mela wangin sum hu be sei atam thei melova department sang tem project athun vek thei don no ati a an sum don thei tur om to ka an ngai be chanin mamo zol chau thlan angai don ani ati finance commissioner chuan official big anin ko khom phota hundam chang ma severa NGO te ne na income na bo sele tu mani ang ati Aizawl income tax department ho tu de chom Mizo de tribal ni na angin income tax in huam lo ma sela sarkar lai pui dan zamina phut anga TDS an ngai saka poimo anti income tax department ho to the chuan income tax in a huam lo India rama tribal te point da nang takin tax deduction source b ka tax deduction account number an ne angai thu soin mizo te zinga income tax chung changai poimo an tlem nialan thun soya sarkar thok zinga department tina DDO te point income tax chung chang hi an ngai poimo angai thule sumdong te point an sumdon nang kai hnoi an bank account na sumlu te uluk taka an sin si apoimo thu soin mizo te tribal an in awang le an sumdon am hun chu tribal area ni na angin sarkarin income tax choi tura atuk ngot theina omlova chumi tur ero chuan tax deduction source TDS mumal takle fel fai tak an ne poimo a himita nen Aizawl bong kon brigade om income tax pisa thoktu te anin pereng thuan soi ani
TDS exemption chung changa poimo pakhat chu DDO te responsibility hi ania DDO te hi income tax act chuanin mo phuna sang taka peya unemployed te tanga tax lo deduct ka sarkar account na thun ania chuti lain schedule tribe schedule area om te chu tax deduct lo tur a exempt kan nia chumi ture ro chuanin DDO ten unemployed te ne na tangin tax exemption certificate kan ti hi an demand turania chumi tel lo chuanin tax an kat nge angai ni
Hibaka hian Mizoram ko shan tin tele tlongai polten bank account an hon chung changa income tax department ho tu ten shetur poimo anti kan correspondent chuan heting hian asoi ani
income tax department ho tu te chuan Akashvani news Aizawl an shildanin Mizoram chunga ko shan le tlomngai pol sang ten bank account an siamin pan card bank tlamin an lo phut thina heta hian ko shan le tlomngai pol asum en kol tu te pan card lo submit mai anom thina hei hi callin mimal account emotin income tax le thildanga mimal account angin amu thina ko shan le tlomngai pol tin ten har satna an tolo nan ko shan emo tlomngai pol minga pan card siam theu turin ko shan tin le tlomngai pol tin te an hriat tir thuan soibok John Vanal chuanga Akashvani news Aizawl
Chanchinthar hi Akashvani Aizawl changa puan ani Chanchinthar hi All India Radio News Aizawl Facebook page le AIR Aizawl News YouTube channel te baka newsonair.gov.in te chiar theleng thlak thea da ani naktuka Maharashtra le Jharkhand Assembly thanatan in boys and pay fel to ani a ibaka in Maharashtra Nanded Lok Sabha bill state pali Punjab Uttar Pradesh Kerala le Uttarakhand Assembly bill sompanga in than that ani bokang Jharkhand ahin Assembly in than tho ni na tur ni in Assembly bill somthum paret a vote thak ni dona Maharashtra hian in thani tho khata na ini in seats jani samre paret a vote thak ni dona in thana vote la te tun thani somthing pathuma chiar ani ang Prime Minister Narendra Modi son khovela in hian kho na thlengme ka wangin khovel chimlam ram Global South 10 harsan na men lawan tok ati Brazil G20 summit nei me ka he thui sem pumudi chuan khovela in dona thlengme ka wangin ei tur tuial theile le tha supply harsana thlengati a G20 ramte chu he harsana thlengme hi ngai poimo turin acha ani kan correspondent report ilong thak belang u
The first day of the G20 summit had successful sessions on Global Alliance on Hunger and Poverty and reforms in the Global Governance Institute on one hand, whereas on the other hand, it has several bilateral meetings attended by PM Modi. Bilateral with state heads of UK, Norway, Indonesia, Italy and France were held on day one. Talking points of the meeting were the reaffirming the cooperation on the front of trade, defense, tourism and some other topics like AI, green energy, space, etc. PM also announced of opening of 2 new consulates in UK. The highlight of the day was was the declaration of the Rio de Janeiro Declaration for 2024 G20 Summit. It focuses on a broad range of issues including sustainable development, climate change, global health, economic recovery, and the future of multilateralism. For the second day, the members will be participating in 2 sessions, sustainable development and energy transition, and the second session on digital infrastructure. PM Modi will be addressing the session of sustainable development and energy transition. Sakshi Singh, Akashvani News, Brazil.
Chanchinthar cherti tomna na tlang pui Central Chief Information Commissioner Puhiralal Samaria Hovin Vain Khanser Chipa Interaction on Right to Information Act 2005 nei ani Chief Minister Pul Duma Finance Minister Bok Hovin 16 Finance Commission ne na thlen tur Mizoram Sarkar nale rohmana soi howani naktu ka Maharashtra le Jharkhand Assembly in thana tan imbu sena pe fel vek to ani Prime Minister Narendra Modi chon khowela in hirhona thleng me ka wangin khowel chimlam ram Global South and Harsana na melon tok ati de zong chu Chanchinthar kan puan thei chu ani